count to 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. Everybody hearing?
Perfect,
All right,
perfect.
great.
I think Camp Misquah is very cool to be here. Like, I love the counselors. I love everybody here.
I've been coming to Camp Misquah for 25 years this year. I absolutely love it. It's my second home.
It's a little break from everyday life, like from our regular jobs and school work, so that way everyone can have fun and just be with each other.
Camp Misquah is definitely the place for everybody to enjoy friends being friends. Again, friends at camp, which is most important.
All the cabins now have ramps, and the waterfront's gotten a lot better with a ramp. The ramp's been a huge deal because before the beach access was like on a hill, like a little hill, and when it rained, it used to be slippery.
Having ramps is actually the best thing for people for Down syndrome, or if they need some assistance, at least they have counselors and staff members to help you out. And again, a lot of support is what Camp Misquah has always been about.
In 2010, my cabin, we have evening programs and we have hockey night at Misquah, and my cabin won hockey night at Misquah against all the guys.
I scored the winning goal.
When I scored our first goal on the team, everybody was clapping, cheering, and yeah, I feel happy about it.
It's important to make sure that everybody deserves help. And having that help is definitely what you want. And that is what Camp Misquah always comes in for sure.
My one hope is just for everyone to be friendly and treat each other with respect. And also be kind to everybody as well.